Good morning all. So in today's class we will look at the equation of pair of straight lines. But നമ്മൾ parabola കണ്ടു. So parabola is in the form y square equal to 4ax അല്ലെങ്കിൽ x square equal to 4ay. Then when you took the ellipse, that is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Then x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. That is a hyperbola. So here you are having second degree equations in all this case. And now again when you have a pair of straight lines that also do have a second degree equation. So in today's class we will look at what is the equation of a pair of straight lines, and we'll see the associated properties of that. Okay. So first we will look at the second degree homogeneous equation. So a second degree homogeneous equation of the form ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0 represents a pair of straight lines through the origin. So a pair of straight lines through the origin has an equation of the form ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. So considering this as a quadratic equation in x, and if a is not equal to 0 and here you have a not equal to 0, then we will get in the form. So considering, so let us find out what are these pair of straight lines. So considering ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0 as a quadratic equation in x and a not equal to 0, we have so by the formula for solving quadratic expression, you will get x equal to minus 2hy plus or minus root of b square. So that will be 4h square y square minus 4a into by square varum divided by 2a. So that will give us, we will get minus hy plus or minus root of 4 by h square y square minus ab y square by a. So that is minus hy plus or minus in here y is common, upper root of h square minus ab y by a. So we are going to get x equal to minus h plus or minus root of h square minus ab. So y is common by a. So that implies you have ax plus h y. So again you will have plus or minus root of h square minus ab y equal to 0. So this is going to be the equation of a pair of straight lines. In here when you represent this equation, so you have ax plus h plus or minus root of h square minus ab into y equal to 0. And now here under the square root it can be 0, positive or negative. So we will get two real and distinct lines to the origin if h square minus ab is greater than 0. So greater than 0 ആണെങ്കിൽ രണ്ട് positive real roots ഉണ്ടാവും. So we will get two equation of the lines. And if it is equal to 0, you will get a single line, അതായത് pair of straight lines രണ്ടും coincide ചെയ്യുമായിരിക്കും ആ കേസിൽ. And if h square minus ab is less than 0, we will get two imaginary lines. So therefore the equation will represent so the first is two real and distinct lines through the origin if h square minus ab is greater than 0 and we get two coincident lines through the origin if h square minus ab is equal to 0 and two imaginary lines if h square minus ab is less than 0. So in each case, so the equation of pair of straight lines is so there will be ax plus hy plus root of h square minus ab y equal to 0, or you will get so it is h plus root of h square minus ab y equal to 0 അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ax plus h minus root of h square minus ab y equal to 0. So these are going to be the equation of the pair of straight lines, or these lines are in the form, or these are in the form. So you will get in the form L1x plus M1y equal to 0 and L2x plus M2y equal to 0. So this is the equation of the pair of straight lines. And now let us look at what is the angle between the lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. So we have got a pair of straight lines, and now let us look at what is the angle between them. So the angle between the lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. So let the line be, let ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0, and let us take ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to, so this is the expression we have got, L1x plus M1y into L2x plus M2y. Now let us equate the coefficients of x square, xy and y square on both sides. So this implies, so you have a equal to L1 L2, then 2h will be equal to L1 M2 plus L2 M1, and b will be equal to M1 M2. And now the pair of lines are, so we have L1x1 plus, sorry, L1x plus L1x plus M1y equal to 0 and L2x plus M2y equal to 0. And if theta is the angle between these lines, and by the slope formula, okay, so we have this formula. So tan theta will be equal to, so if you have the lines y equal to m1x plus c1 and y equal to m2x plus c2 aanengi, so tan theta will be equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Here find the slope of these lines. So tan square theta will be equal to square of this. Now when you use that formula here, we are going to get in the form. So tan square theta equal to L1 m2 minus L2 m1 whole square by L1 L2 plus m1 m2. And now the numerator can be written as L1 M2 plus L2 M1 whole square. So you can write it as A plus B whole square minus 4 AB. So 4 L1 L2 M1 M2 varum by L1 L2. So here also that's a square. So L1 L2 M1 M2 whole square. Ini nammal coefficients equate ചെയ്തെന്ന് കണ്ടുപിടിച്ച values substitute ചെയ്യാം. So you will have this equal to, so this will be 2h whole square minus 4 ab varum, and this will be a plus b whole square. So that will be 4h square minus ab by a plus b whole square. So therefore tan theta will be equal to, so that will be square root of this, so that will be plus or minus 2 root of h square minus ab by a plus b, or the angle between the lines will be, so theta will be tan inverse of plus or minus 2 root of h square minus ab by a plus b. So that is the required angle between the lines, and plus or minus sign is taken accordingly where you have to find an acute angle or an obtuse angle. So namakku vendiya specification vechittu, so take the sign to be either plus or minus, and okay, plus or minus sign is taken according as theta is the acute or obtuse angle between the lines. And again, if theta is equal to 0, the lines are coincident, and in that case and h square minus ab is equal to 0 in this case. And again the lines are perpendicular if theta equal to pi by 2. So let us look at the condition of, this is the condition of coincidence. So condition of coincidence is theta must be equal to 0. So in that case h square minus ab is equal to 0. So let us look at the condition of perpendicularity. So when the lines are perpendicular, so theta will be equal to pi by 2. So theta equal to pi by 2 implies, so cot theta must be equal to 0. So that implies